Hey, what's up everybody? This is Brian and welcome to the Beginning Table Views video tutorial course. In this course, you'll be expanding your iOS knowledge by building a full-featured app, and that is a checklist to-do app. This app allows you to add checklist items and then mark them off when you have completed them. We'll begin this part by covering a very important control in iOS, and that is, drumroll please, a table view. A table view is a control that is designed to display lots of content to the end user. In essence, it is a list and it is used all over iOS. The to-do list app uses table views in every one of its screens, and you'll quickly see that this control is extremely versatile and is by far the most important control to master in iOS development. In this part, you'll get an overview of the to-do checklist app design, and then you'll learn how to create a table view controller. Next, you'll learn how to add cells to your table view. Afterwards, you'll be introduced to the concept of protocols and why they are important to understand. Next, you'll learn how to add rows to a table view, and then how to add check marks, otherwise known as accessories, to those rows. After which you'll come to understand table view delegate methods. This course contains hands-on exercises. These are not passive activities, so please follow along and type the code that you see on the screen. This will allow you to internalize the concepts covered in this course. This course also features challenges. These challenges will put your new skills to the test. They aren't designed to be hard, but rather they are meant to apply the concepts featured in these videos. In essence, you'll learn by doing, so think of the challenges as more of a requirement. All right, let's continue our iOS adventure by taking a first look at our checklist to-do app, and this is what we'll build throughout the duration of this course.